Bellabin Chinese Food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a recipe of my lunch today. I just ate my lunch. It is very nutritious, very tasty, very healthy lunch. It is a combo of chicken thigh, bok choy, tofu, and rice. Okay, let's take a look how I cooked this lunch. The ingredients for my spiced chicken combo are shown in this photo and the next one. They are chicken thigh, silken tofu, bok choy, OXO chicken sachet, onion, garlic, ginger, hard green pepper, and light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and Sriracha hot chili sauce, and then salt, sugar, and peanut oil. You can use vegetable oil or coconut oil, cooking wine, coriander, potato starch, and white pepper. First step, let's cook rice. Next step, let's cut the chicken thigh into about ½ inches wide and thick cubes. Next step, marinate the chicken cubes. Put in 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon cooking wine, 1 teaspoon potato starch, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. You may also put a little bit dark soy sauce or oyster sauce here. Stir, stir, make sure everything mixed well. Use a small bowl, put in 1 teaspoon potato starch, and then 2 tablespoons of cold water. Stir a little bit. That's a liquid potato starch. Set aside. Separate each bok choy, because inside the bok choy there's some earth. That's why we need to separate them and wash them totally. Then we blanch the bok choy in the boiling water about ½ minute. Take them out and put them in the clean cold water. Next step, we open the tofu box. As you notice, this tofu is called silk tofu. It's the softest one. It's very soft. Cut them into very tiny cubes. Set aside. Next step, cut onion into small pieces. Slice ginger and cut it into tiny pieces too. Cut garlic into small pieces also. Remove the seed from this hot green pepper and cut it into small pieces. This green hot pepper is just a little bit hot. That's why I also use some Sriracha hot sauce. Then, next step, heat one deep fry pan over medium heat. When the pan is very hot, add in 1 tablespoon of peanut oil. Turn the pan and then add in chicken meat. Stir fry. A little bit stick on the bottom because it is not a non-stick pan. That's okay. Stir fry about 1.5 minutes or until you see all the chicken meat change color to white. Try to remove the stuff on the bottom of the pan. Okay, now we add in ginger, stir fry, and onions and hot peppers. Stir fry. Then add in Hoya Sriracha hot chili sauce. I added about 1.5 tablespoons of that hot chili sauce. If you like more spicy, you can add more. Then add in a teaspoon of soy sauce. Okay, now everything should be good. It's ready to take them out. We transfer chicken meat to a plate. Now we put back the same deep fry pan on the stove and add in about half tablespoon of peanut oil. Then add in bok choy. Stir fry. Here we should add in the chopped garlic, but I forgot. Then add in 1/4 teaspoon salt. Stir fry. Then add in the liquid potato starch we made before. Stir fry. Okay, now it is good. We transfer it to another plate. Okay, all transferred. We put back the same deep fry pan and add 1¼ cups of water into the pan. When the water is boiling, add in half of the tofu into the pan. We only use half of the box tofu. Then we open a sachet of OXO chicken bag and drop the powder into the pan. Stir a little bit and then boiling about 2 to 3 minutes. For the tofu absorb the taste of chicken sachet. Stir a little bit, then add in liquid potato starch. That's 1 teaspoon of potato starch and 2 tablespoons of cold water mix. Stir them before we add them into the pan. Stir and boil another 1 minute. Now the soup is ready. You see the chicken meat and the bok choy. Now the soup is ready to take them out. Now we transfer the tofu soup into the small bowl. Totally 2 small bowls of tofu soup. And top with green onion leaves or coriander. And if you like spicy, add in some chili oil on the top. Now our lunch is ready. This is my husband. I have the same thing as my husband does.
Delicious. Delicious. Good.
Okay, how do you like my recipe? Would you like to give me some comments and give me some support? Because I'm still new in this program. I need to hear from you. Please subscribe my channel or please leave me some comments about my recipe. Thank you very much for your coming and have a nice day. And see you next time.